Hi friends, in this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to find the sum of two integer numbers, that is 10 and 20, by using a Java programming language. Explore BlueJ, an IDE for Java, and click on the New Class button. Enter your class name as addition. You can prefer the choice of your class name and then click on OK. Right click on the class and click on Open Editor. Use Ctrl A to select the pre-code and the delete button on your keyboard to erase the existing code. Then start typing your comments, that is to find the sum of two numbers, and then import the necessary packages. Import java.io, then import java.lang, and then import java.util. As per the structure of the class, first we have comments followed by the packages, and then comes your class. Our class name is addition. Your class name must match with that of the class name as in the title bar, and then your class contains the data members and the member functions. So in this program we are about to use a data 10 and 20, which is of int data type. To store this 10 and 20 in the computer memory, we need to reserve some space that can be done by using a variable declaration. And the syntax we have with us to declare a variable is data type followed by identifier name. The data type is int, let the name of the identifier is a, and this must be prefixed with a keyword called private. And then similarly, to store another number, we require some amount of memory. Let us declare one more variable to store 20, and when you find the sum of 10 and 20, it results in 30, and we require some space in the memory to store this 30. Let it be C. And after the required data members are over, we need to define the member function, that is public void main string args throws IO exception. Begin the main method and don't forget to close the main method. So your main method contains all the instructions that are necessary to perform the task, that is to find the sum of two integer numbers. Now first we have the input, that is assign 10 to A and assign 20 to B. So then 10 will be stored in the computer memory where the memory is reserved earlier, and 10 can be referred by a variable name A. Similarly with B. And then after the input we need to process. The processing instruction goes C is equal to A plus B. As A plus B is a binary operation, the value of A reflects there is 10 and the value of B reflects there is 20. 10 plus 20 is 30. The right hand side value will be assigned to a left hand side variable. Thereby you can see in the memory A contains 10, B contains 20, and when you say C is equal to A plus B, C contains 30. As the data type is int reserves 4 bytes of memory in the primary memory RAM, and zeros for A, B and C is the default value of int. That means whenever you declare any variable and don't initialize any value to that variable, they contain some standard values which are said to be the default values of int. And then let us come back to the program. After the process, we need to present the output. So I use system.out.print. The message is the sum of, afterwards concat the value of A, again concat, and again concat the value of B, again join, one equal to, again join the value of C. After this, click on the compile button. If any errors are there, they will be posted here. If not, the program compilation goes successful. After that, click on the close button, and then we are about to execute the program. Right click on the class and click on new addition, and click on OK. Here is the object that gets created. Right click on the object now and click on the main method. Here it's going to ask you some text. Don't feed any text. Instead, place the left and the right braces and click on OK. Here, that's wonderful. The sum of 10 and 20 equal to 30 on the screen. Yes, hope you have enjoyed how to find the sum of two integer numbers. Thank you all for joining me. If you have any queries, please reach me by commenting or by reaching me on WhatsApp. Thank you.